The stone didn't hide Excalibur. It just held it very still. And your book may not be lost either. It may be sitting wherever you left it, waiting for you to pull it out and wield it.
Pour a cup of clarity, sip a spark of insight. Coffee with Karma, your morning feels just right.
There is no ceremony that makes today the right day to leverage your book. You just need to decide that you're going to do that and start to wield it. Today, I'm going to share a few reflections inspired by the Arthurian legend of the sword and the stone about how you can wield your book. We've kind of been talking about this all week, about how you can leverage your book in ways after launch. And today, that's what I'm going to be doing some more, but with a little bit of fun twist through the idea of the sword and the stone. Because that legend is a metaphor for so many things. And in the context of this video is the metaphor of a book that's just sitting on Amazon doing nothing until you pull it out and wield it. Hi, I'm Carma Spence, and I'm in the wrong book prevention business. I work with established experts to write the right book so that it is best positioned to achieve their goals of growing their business. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please like this video, comment below, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that the YouTube algorithm knows that videos like this are for people like you who want to grow their business with books. So number one, anyone could see the sword and the stone, but almost no one could pull it out. Visibility and leverage aren't the same thing. And a lot of authors have a visible book that remains in its metaphorical stone unused. So people see your book, but they don't pick it up. If they do pick it up, they don't necessarily read it. If they do read it, they don't join your list. That is your book in its metaphorical stone. But if you do things, well, first of all, you want to do things inside the book, but let's say that ship has sailed. There are things you can do around your book, even if it doesn't have an opt-in inside, that can still activate the potential that lies within your book. And it's not raw potential. I was just thinking about this morning. Raw potential is all the knowledge in your head. Your book is packaged. It's packaged potential. And you know what? A black box sitting on a shelf in a factory does not help your plane when it crashes. You need to install the black box into the plane. So that's what you need to do with your book. Your book is like the black box sitting in the factory if it's sitting on Amazon doing nothing. You need to install it in your business and use the engines that are locked in that book because you spent what? At least a weekend, if not days, weeks, months, years writing that book. You packaged up your IP nicely so that people could access it. And the point of them accessing it is so that they come to you to do whatever it is you help them solve. And the book can't do that by itself. There are a bunch of things that need to happen around that book. You need to pull it out of its stone and wield it. Number two, a sword left in the stone is just a rock with a handle. A book left on the shelf is just paper with a spine. Use is what makes either one what it's meant to be. You have to pull the sword out of the stone and wield it. You need to pull your book out of Amazon and wield it. And there's lots of ways. I talk about all different ways you can wield it. I've been doing that for about a month. And I can also help you wield it inside of Book Marketing Club. You just go to karmaspence.com/BMC. Inside there, every month you have access to me to ask all your questions. And every month I help you install a piece of the system I help you build the habit of building pieces of the system so that your book continues to work for your business and not just sit there doing nothing and looking pretty. So you've got to use your book. Number 3, Excalibur was always Excalibur. The sword didn't change when it left the stone. Your book didn't become more valuable when you pulled it into use. It was always valuable. You just hadn't picked it up. Like I was saying, it was a black box on a shelf. It was a sword in the stone. It was a pen sitting in a pencil holder. Until you actually pick it up and use it, it doesn't grow your business. Books are not passive business growth tools. They need activity around them so that people notice them, buy them, read them, act on them. If you can't get people to do that, then your book isn't going to work for your business. And part of what gets people to do that is all the encouragement around it. That's how you optimize it on Amazon. It's how you optimize it off of Amazon. In fact, I will be talking about that all next week, is about how you have to, there's Amazon optimization and there's everywhere else. So pick up your book, start using it, and don't sit there lamenting that it doesn't work for your business. All right. In my next video, I will be talking about how your book funnel has 3 jobs and that most authors only do 1 or 2. So you'll learn what those 3 jobs are, and then all next week throughout my content, I will be sharing how to activate those 3 jobs. You're going to be pulling your book out of its metaphorical stone. We'll do it together next week. Until then, this is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.